Let's paint a more expressive and less detailed representation of people using watercolor. I begin by making initial brush strokes using clean and wet mop brush. These brush strokes will form the body of the people. For the skin tone, I'm mixing Naples yellow with permanent orange. I'm adding the heads above the brush strokes and you can see how the pigment bleeds into the wet area. Next I'm using variety of colors to paint the clothing of these people. I want you to watch and enjoy how the brush strokes transform into individuals using variety of pigments in watercolor. I have listed all the pigments that I use for this painting, and I usually mix the pigments to create my own unique color palette and style. So I encourage you to mix 2 or 3 pigments and make your own color palette, and also you can understand the color theory. When Payne's gray entered into the face area, I just lifted the pigment out of its place and added the skin tone in that area. You can see I have tilted the board by placing the masking tape under the board. So the excess water that we initially applied will be collected because of this gravity. So this excess water is absorbed using a damp brush. I'm not providing detailed guidance on each step or the specific colors used in this painting because this video is primarily designed to offer a therapeutic painting experience and to inspire those facing creative blocks to pick up their brush and delve into the joy of creation. Coming back to our painting process, um, while painting their legs, I try to create a V-shaped finish so that it looks as if they are walking. Also, I try to add hands for them and shoes, and it's completely an intuitive painting process. After painting those people, I add shadows for them. We reached the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, take care and bye bye from Prema.